Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well today because we're diving into something pretty interesting. Recently, I came across a video promoting something called the $500 Google PayDay system, and well, let's just say it caught my attention. Now, I know there are a lot of programs out there that claim to help you make money easily, but with so many scams floating around, I figured we should take a closer look at this one to see if it's worth your time, or if it's just another gimmick. So let's break it down together. The video starts with a guy named Glynn Kosky, who claims he's built a business that's generated over $20 million online and has helped thousands of people escape the daily grind. Sounds pretty impressive, right? But here's the first thing that raised my eyebrows. He says that the system he's about to reveal isn't just exciting but life-changing. We've all heard that phrase before in marketing videos, but here's where it gets interesting. He claims that the $500 a day system he's promoting is tapping into a hidden AI loophole within Google's ad system, and that it's so under the radar, almost no one else knows it exists. All right, let's pause right there because already I'm skeptical. When something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. But I wanted to see where this goes. According to Glynn, the whole thing started when his cousin, Vanessa, interned at Google. She supposedly discovered a glitch in Google's AI ad system, one that allowed her to generate consistent, automated income. In the video, he talks about how she tested it out and the money started pouring in. First $300, then $500, and eventually up to $11,000. And the best part, in his words, is that it was all completely automated. She just set it up, and the system ran itself. Now this is where things start to feel a little too perfect. Automated income sounds amazing, but we need to think critically here. No technical skills, no experience needed, just an easy-to-use system that makes you money? It sounds a lot like a dream to me. But wait, Glynn takes it a step further. He mentions that Google's AI system has been evolving far beyond what most people realize, claiming that their algorithms are so advanced they can predict what people want before they even know it themselves. The idea is that this glitch, this loophole, gives you access to the kind of technology that big companies use to stay ahead of the game. According to him, this system levels the playing field, putting the same technology in your hands with zero insider connections or fancy equipment. So, you're supposed to just set it up and boom, money starts flowing in. But here's the thing. Why is this secret so exclusive? Why would a glitch in one of the world's most sophisticated systems be available to the average person? Then, the pitch really ramps up. Glynn goes on to explain how $500 a day could change your life. He paints this picture of financial freedom. No more credit card debt, no more loans. You could take a family vacation, drive a car that's completely yours, all with no more stress about money. It's an enticing offer, right? But when you really think about it, the emotional appeal is a huge tactic used in these types of marketing. They're trying to make you dream about a life you might feel like you can't afford right now, and that can be pretty tempting. However, we've got to dig deeper into whether this system actually delivers. At this point in the video, Glynn tells us that this opportunity is extremely limited. Apparently, Google is always updating its systems, and he believes this glitch could be fixed at any time. That's why he's only offering this to 50 people at the current price. This sense of urgency is designed to push you into making a quick decision. Of course, they're making it sound like the window of opportunity is closing, but that's a classic marketing strategy. You've probably seen it before. Act now or you'll miss out. But what happens when you don't act? Well, nothing happens, and you realize you're still in the same spot you were before. So, what's the deal with the system itself? According to Glynn, once you've set it up on your smartphone or laptop, the system runs on autopilot. Whether you're asleep, working out, or just spending time with family, the money keeps coming in. Now, he mentions people from different walks of life already using the system, like Jessica, a single mom from Texas who paid off her credit cards and took her kids to Disney World. Or Tom, a retired veteran who bought his dream truck in just 2 weeks. But here's the thing. These success stories are meant to be persuasive. They're supposed to make you feel like if they can do it, so can you. And I'm not saying these stories aren't real, but they're not necessarily representative of the bigger picture. For every success story, there are probably countless others who didn't make money or lost time and effort. By now, you're probably wondering if it's worth the risk. The video includes a day money-back guarantee to ease your hesitation. Glynn promises that if you're not satisfied, you'll get every penny back. But honestly, even with a money-back guarantee, the big question remains, is this system as simple and effective as it seems? Or is it just another marketing pitch designed to get you to part with your money in the hopes that you'll get rich overnight? The truth is, we've all heard similar stories in the past, and it's essential to approach any get-rich-quick offer with caution. Even if the system works for a few people, doesn't mean it'll work for everyone. So, before you jump in, I'd suggest doing your research, reading reviews from real users, and really thinking about whether this is the right opportunity for you. After all, the last thing anyone needs is to get caught up in another online money-making scheme that promises more than it can deliver. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. See you in the next one.